doing it. I can't tell.
She does like rurt rurt.
Yeah, she did. Hey, wait for the camera.
You want to sit on the froggy? Go sit on his back. Let her like kind of lay on it or something. No, turn her around. Like let her like ride on his back. Aha! Yeah, like that.
Nice. Look at you go.
You gonna pet the froggy?
Look, nice froggy. Nice froggy.
Nice.
Nice. Go climb the froggy. Climb on the froggy.
Just gonna examine his face. Don't play in the dirt. Where's the froggy's eyes? Where's the froggy's eyes? Eyes. Where's the froggy's nose? Nose.
Isla, what's this?
Stop playing in the dirt.
Isla,
Yuck.
what's this? Aww. You and the frog. You and Mr. Frog.
Walk, walk. Walk, walk. Dirt. Very good.
Did she just say dirt?
She went doot. That's how she says it. What did you just say? What's on the floor? What is this, Isla? Isla. What can you say dirt?
Dirt.
Can you say dirt? Doot. Can you say Jojo? Doo-doo. Can you say Mimi? Nini.
It's a little tougher.
Mimi.
Aw, good job.
The funny thing is for Mickey, she says Nini.
Oh, really?
And for Nini, she says Nini. Can you say dirt? Can you say dirt? Doot. Can you say bye-bye?
Aww.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. She's like, what?